Balik. Anyong hasayo ni Tan? Louder please. Pusgay mong tingog dong. Anyong hasayo ni Tan?
Hasayo Tan.
Okay. So, how are you? Kumusta naman? Okay ra? So, nganong nagsige man kag absent? Sige kag, you always absent here in study room and also your formal school. Ngano man? Unsay rason nganong nagsige man kag absent? No one can taking care your siblings. Sa formal school, nganong sige naman po kag absent? Oh, I heard from your classmates you always play computer games. So akong na nadunggan gikan sa mga classmates nga sige kag computer. Wanan dugay ka makatulog, dugay ka makamata, kay dugay ka makauli gikan sa computeran, right? Oh. So I warning you. I give you one more chance, ha? Oh. Month of September, your absent is 3. Ha? Avoid absences, Nitan. This is not for us. Ha? Para ni Nimo. Ang pag-eskwela og tarong para ni sa imong kaugmaon. Dili ni para namo, para ni Nimo. Ha? So, taganti kag one more chance. If ever gani nga mo absent pa ka, so mo decide na jud mi nga tangtangon ka. Ha? Ayaw pagluya-luya. Dapat nga abti ka mi eskwela. Nitan, ha? This is your last chance. Okay. So, start today. Dili na ka mag-absent. Ha? Unsa gali buhaton if mo absent ka? Unsa may buhaton sa teachers kung mo absent na ka? Unsa may buhaton? Okay, tangtangon ka, tangtang. Automatic na ka tangtangon. Ha? No more excuses. Nakasabot. O, sige. Anyong hasayo, Darrell?
Anyong hasayo.
Kumusta man dong?
Kera.
Ha? Okay ra. Always raman kang okay ra. Okay. So, nakahibaw ka. You know already nganong interview hunti ka. Ngano man?
Absent.
Oh, because naakay 2 absence. Month of September, naakay 2 absent, no? Oh. Nganong absent man ka tong higayon na?
Nangako nung kamot.
Noon sa mong kamot?
Nasunod.
Nasunlok.
Oh.
Nasunlok na mong kamot ni ay. So, I warning you. So, tagaan ti kag chance nga if ever gali mo absent pa ka katulo sa usa ka buwan, automatic tangtang na ka ha.
Oh.
No more excuses, no more video. Dili na kay video pag-usab kay nanaman ni. Ha? Sige. Same mo ni Nathan. I-warningan mo na ako ha. Absent pagali mo usap, automatic tangtang na mo. Okay? Nakasabot?
Sabot.
Sige.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Teacher Sheila.
Okay, do you remember that I have I gave you a task to practice a conversation. So, by partner ta ha. Kinsay una nga paris.
Me.
Oh, sige, back out sa naman. Awasa.
What's on your mind? Please let me know your opinion.
About family?
I see.
I think Carla's family is good.
What makes you feel that way?
Because the family members believe in themselves.
What another reason might there be?
Well, I don't know.
I didn't like to know more about your opinion.
I don't like my family so much.
That is quite interesting.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't like to know more about your opinion.
My family members are young friendly, so I don't talk with them.
I see.
Do you have family?
Why do you think that?
I don't know who you are.
Why do you ask?
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Here you go.
What's on your mind? Let's get about family. I see. I think Carla family is good. What caused you to feel that way? Because the family members believe in themselves. What other reason might there be? Well, I don't think. I'd like to know more about your opinion. I don't. Balik ka sa dito.
Okay, go.
I don't like my family so much. That is quiet and interesting. Yeah. I'd like to know more about your opinion. My family members aren't friendly, so I can't talk with them. I see. Do you have family? Why do you think that? I don't know who you are. Why do you ask? I'm sorry. That's okay. What's in your mind? Please let me know your opinion.
About family?
I see.
I think Carla's family is good
What caused you to feel that way?
because the family members believe in themselves.
What other reasons might there be?
Well, I don't know.
That I'd like to know more about your opinion.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Sheila.
Okay, what we will do today is brushing your teeth. So, start na. Masih mabubuan ang buko-buko sa uban ha.
Rinay mo, oy!
Lagbo na lang na. Tuga na rin kigwa. May mga bata.
Lagi siya. Atong kalabot yan mo din.
Mana mo? Beli ko yung notebrush ko. Yawan yung notebrush. Murag wisi-wisi raman.
Guys.
Kapila man mo mag-toothbrush sa isa kadlaw? Ha?
Dalawa.
Isa to ning answer og katulo.
Ako.
Pantaya.
Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, for this evening, our topic is about public speaking. So when we say public speaking, also referred to as oratory, is the practice of delivering speeches before a live audience on varying matters. So ang public speaking, mauni siya ang magstorya ka sa in front sa publiko. So mauni siya. Other term ani is oratory. So here are the 10 steps of public speaking. So the first is nervousness is normal. So nervousness is normal, so practice and prepare. So unsa man ang nervousness? Mauna ang makulbaan ta. So all people feel some physiological reactions like pounding hearts, kana kunong mga physiological nga reactions like pounding sa heart, nga makulbaan natong heart. Dayon, magkurog-kurog atong kamot, mag-trembling hands. Mo na siya ang first nga kuan sa public speaking. Ma-feel nimo kung in front na ka sa public. So the second is know your